Good day everyone. Learn how to fix Epic Games login error. So if you're unable to log in, even you tried run as administrator and then you enter and you're getting error while Epic Games, then simply do a right click in the start icon and go to run and type percentage local app data percentage. I'll maximize it so that I can type it. Once you have typed it, click on OK and scroll down and look for Epic Games and Epic Games Launcher. So you just need to select these and you need to delete it. You don't have to worry about as it's a cache, and the moment you log in again, it will be created back again. So I'll just do a right click on those and I'll click on delete. And if you're unable to delete it, that's because Epic Games is running in the background. So to stop that service, do a right click, go to Task Manager, and in the processes, look for Epic Games and end task, and then try to delete the folder, restart the computer, and when you see the icon of Epic Games, do a right click on that and run as administrator, and then log in. So after doing this, I'm sure you will be able to fix Epic Games Launcher not opening or unable to log in. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.